Have you ever used a body mass index calculator to get your BMI number? It's easy. Just search the internet for a BMI calculator and plug in your height and weight. Confused about what your number means? Wondering if you really need to be worried about your weight at all? I mean, sure, you've gained a few pounds over the years, but it's not that big a deal, right? Well, answer these questions. Are you 100 pounds heavier than you should be? When you calculate your BMI, is it over 35? Over 40? Do you also have diabetes, sleep apnea, high blood pressure, or high cholesterol? If you answered yes to 2 of these questions, you qualify for bariatric surgery. That's right, you have severe obesity, and ignoring it or taking more pills for your medical problems isn't wise. In fact, your life expectancy is at least 7 years shorter than someone who didn't answer yes. If your BMI is really high, like 55, you're likely to die 14 years earlier than you would at a normal weight. It's time to get a sense of urgency about this problem, and it's time to face facts. Obesity is a chronic disease, and it needs to be treated. It's easy to blow it off now because it doesn't hurt or cause a lot of symptoms. But just like cancer and heart disease, it will progress without treatment, and it will end your life early. If you have obesity, it's not just a willpower problem. You've tried 100 times to lose weight with diets and exercise, so willpower isn't the issue. It's biology, environment, genetics, and yes, it's behavior too. If you're obese, you just have to own it. It doesn't mean you need to be embarrassed or ashamed. Would you be embarrassed if you were told you had diabetes? No, you would get it treated. Same should be true for obesity. Unfortunately, many doctors don't have the time or expertise to discuss or treat obesity. There are experts out there, though, that focus their careers on treating this disease. Bariatric surgery programs offer all kinds of treatments for obesity, including medication, endoscopic treatment, and surgery. Learn more about these safe and effective treatment options. Check your BMI and take charge of your health by finding a program near you at this link.